We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive and expert-driven overview of the Unicorn Castle stuffed animal net hammock with LED light. This product is designed as a plush toy organizer that hangs in the corner of a nursery or kids' room, providing a large storage solution for stuffed animals, while also serving as a decorative piece thanks to its included LED string lights. The net is made of premium polyester mesh, which is sturdy and durable and features a unique rainbow color that fits well in girls' rooms, playrooms, and nurseries. The net expands to a large size of 47 by 47 by 80 inches, making it capable of holding a significant number of plush toys, which helps keep rooms tidy and spacious by utilizing corner space efficiently. It comes with 3 wall hooks for installation, and the LED lights have 8 different lighting modes controlled by a remote, adding a cozy and playful ambience to the room. Users appreciate the large capacity and the elastic edge design that allows the net to stretch and hold bigger stuffed animals securely. Many reviewers highlight how the hammock helps keep stuffed animals off the floor and away from pets, which is a practical benefit for families with dogs or cats. The net's corner triangle structure is praised for making good use of otherwise unused space, contributing to a tidier room environment. Installation is generally described as easy, with included anchors and screws that make it straightforward to nail hooks into the wall and hang the organizer. The LED lights are a notable feature, offering different colors and modes that children enjoy. The lights come with a remote control and have timer functions, which add convenience and customization options. However, some users report that the LED string lights are not integrated into the net but come separately and require AA batteries, which are not included. There are mixed opinions about the lights. While some find them charming and a great addition to the room's decor, others criticize the LED wire for being fragile and difficult to thread through the net. A few users experienced issues with the lights not working or breaking during installation, which detracts from the overall experience. The quality of the net itself is generally well regarded. It is described as strong enough to hold a variety of stuffed animals, including larger ones, without tearing or losing shape. The polyester mesh is thin but durable enough for its purpose. The rainbow color is attractive and adds a playful touch to the room's aesthetics. Cleaning the net is quick and easy, which is important for maintaining a hygienic play area for children. On the downside, some reviewers mention that the net does not hold as many toys as they expected, and the mesh being thin means it might not be suitable for very heavy or sharp-edged items. The LED light installation can be time-consuming and frustrating due to tangling wires and the need to manually thread the lights through the net. The fragility of the LED wiring is a concern for some, especially if the lights are a key reason for purchasing this product. Overall, the Unicorn Castle stuffed animal net hammock is a functional and visually appealing storage solution for children's stuffed animals. It excels in maximizing corner space and keeping rooms organized while adding a fun lighting element that many kids enjoy. The ease of installation and included hardware make it accessible for most users. The main drawbacks relate to the LED lights, which require extra effort to set up and may not be as durable as desired. Despite this, the product receives a solid rating from users, reflecting satisfaction with its storage capacity, design, and decorative appeal. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the link to this product is in the description and using it supports the channel. This stuffed animal net hammock is a great choice for parents and caregivers looking to organize plush toys in a stylish and space-saving way while adding a touch of light and color to a child's room.